When arriving in the Sumba island and you need to unwind, stay by yourself, peaceful and tranquility, come to Mario Beach Hotel. Beautiful white sandy beach, and you can be alone with your friends in the beautiful sight. You can have both sunrise and sunset from the same spot. The large swimming pool with beautiful flowers on the garden and blue sky can add up your relaxing ideas in this place. Fresh vegetables bought from the marketplace nearby every day. And most important, fresh fish also can be served on this hotel. Dream with us and keep us on your thought when you come to visit Sumba Island. Clean, great, beautiful views all around us here.